This exceptional home sits majestically on a large lot in a quiet Canby neighborhood. You'll love the convenient location, close to shopping, city services, parks, and extensive outdoor activities. The expansive wraparound porch invites you to relax and take in the peaceful setting. A grand entry welcomes you home, where you'll find spacious rooms throughout, fine architectural details, and tons of natural light. The updated kitchen features a large cooktop island, stainless steel appliances, bar seating, double ovens, and plenty of storage space. It opens to the family room with a cozy fireplace. French doors lead to the large main floor office. The grand staircase takes you to the 500 square foot vaulted master suite. It's complete with separate vanities, a deep sunken tub, and 2 closets. This home of more than 2,700 square feet includes 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Other features include central air and a new efficient furnace. Head out to your private back patio oasis, where it's easy to entertain. Or just relax and unwind while enjoying the beauty and tranquility of your peaceful surroundings. The 350 square foot covered porch wraps around to another sitting area, as well as an expansive side yard with mature landscaping. The heated shop is complete with built-ins and has 2 entrances. Plus, there's paved parking for your boat, trailer, or motorhome. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Larry Burkett with Premier Property Group at 503-680-3018.